Hello and welcome to today's lesson of 3D drawing for your model railway. Today's lesson I'm just going to give a quick overview of the printer I use and the basic principles behind how it works. I have an Anycubic Photon original printer, which is a resin printer. I've owned it for about 18 months now and haven't really had any issues since I purchased it. The printer itself uses an LCD screen at the bottom below the resin vat, and the print build plate is lowered into that and goes up and down within there. The print build area is 115mm by 65mm to a maximum height of 155mm. It uses resin that cures at 405 nanometers, which is the most common technology you know that in is like a Blu-ray or DVD. This view showing inside the printer, you can see the build plate at the top and the resin vat at the bottom. The build plate is lowered down into that resin, and below the resin there is an LCD screen, and below that is a UV light. When the printer is printing, the UV light is on constantly and the LCD screen turns on and off depending on which areas you want to print. In this next view we can see the resin vat looking from underneath. You can see there's a film on the bottom of the vat. This is called the FEP. Primarily this is here to hold the resin within the vat, but it does allow the UV light to penetrate and cure the resin within the vat to the build plate and the model above it. The FEP is of a slightly slippery material, so it will primarily want to cure the resin to the model and as opposed to the FEP, but it is common for the print to adhere to the FEP if you don't have your settings correct. In this view showing inside the printer, we can see the LCD screen at the bottom, the build plate at the top. I've modified my printer to have a dual access Z rail at the back, which stops the build plate from wobbling too much, so I get a better print quality. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's just a short one to give you a quick overview of the printer I'm using. Please hit the subscribe button for more content.